While it is not easy, earning money online is the simplest way to do so. However, it also takes time, work, and energy to improve your skills so that you can eventually reach your financial objectives. Because of this, the internet is a crazy place. It has a solution for practically all modern issues. Anything and everything can be found with just a single click of the finger, whether it's learning a craft, selling a product, or educating others about a subject. There are now numerous options to make money online, like podcasts, blogging, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and online surveys. We have found some of the best websites through which you can earn passive income, or can even find a full-time career option. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos like this. Well, if you're ready for this topic, let's start. Number 1. 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁. 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁 is a deal-sharing platform through which you can partner with 150+ brands like Myntra, Flipkart, Agio, and many more. It is a good way to earn some money whether you are a student, housemaker, or a working professional. Joining 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁 is absolutely free, and no documentation is required. With 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁, you can easily earn up to $30,000 every month by sharing your affiliate links with your friends, family, and network, and earning commission every time someone shops from your affiliate link. 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁 has to date served over 2 million users and continues to grow. Number 2. Google AdSense. Publishers can get money from their online content with Google AdSense. Based on your site's traffic and content, AdSense matches relevant ads with your website. Advertisers who want to promote their products create and pay for the ads. The amount you make will differ depending on the prices that these advertisers pay for certain ads. All devices, including desktop, mobile, and tablet, display AdSense ads. AdSense works with EPC, earnings per click, and CPC, cost per click. Publishers will be paid when users click on the ads that appear on their websites. How much you will earn from AdSense varies on a lot of factors like the amount and type of traffic your website receives, the number of advertisers in your niche, the type of content you have on your website, and the position of your AdSense ads. Number 3. YouTube. By signing up for the YouTube Partners Program, you can earn money on YouTube. With the help of advertising revenue, channel memberships, super chats, super stickers, channel memberships, merch shelves, and YouTube Premium revenue, YouTube helps creators monetize their channels. If you are eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund, you may also be eligible for Shorts incentives. You must have a YouTube channel with more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public view hours in order to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. Number 4. Shutterstock. Enter Shutterstock, a terrific and profitable solution for any artist to establish a passive income stream that generates income even when you're sleeping. Shutterstock is a global marketplace where photographers can share, sell, and market their services. Since you can earn up to 40% on a photo, it's hardly surprising that the Shutterstock platform has paid creators over $1 billion in commission. The amount you make from Shutterstock varies depending on the tier you're in, and it rises as you sell more content licenses. For photos, illustrations, vectors, and videos, there are various earning levels. The most crucial thing when creating content to sell on Shutterstock is that you have complete ownership of the content's copyright. Additionally, all your work should be original. Number 5. Upwork. Finding trustworthy websites where you can connect with possible freelance employers may not be simple. Although Upwork does not directly offer employment, it can help you connect with businesses looking to hire freelancers. You can provide your services in editing, writing, graphic designing, web development, ghostwriting, accounting, booking, or consultancy. The list is endless. With Upwork, you will be able to earn money based on the hours you spend. You also get the flexibility to set up your price for your work. To start earning money, identify the skill that you can offer, create a free polished profile, browse jobs, and start sending out proposals. Once you start getting positive reviews, it will become easier to gain new clients. Number 6. Swagbucks. Since its launch in 2016, Swagbucks has gained enormous popularity as a user-friendly website for earning money. You can start making money right away by doing nothing more than watching videos on YouTube and browsing online retailers like Amazon. This choice is ideal for you if you enjoy watching videos and window shopping online. You can also participate in online surveys to win prizes and gifts. After creating an account, you will have a few daily tasks to complete in order to receive rewards. Depending on the tasks, you can receive the money by bank transfer or in the form of gift cards and coupons. Number 7. Facebook Marketplace. Users can purchase and sell goods locally or nationwide using the Facebook Marketplace tool. Users can buy and sell both new and pre-owned things, and they can filter their results by region, category, and price. Almost anything can be bought and sold by Facebook users. There are some restrictions on what can be sold on Facebook. The Facebook Marketplace's commerce policy lists prohibited items. Facebook Marketplace can only be used by sellers who have active Facebook accounts. To earn more, take clear photos, sell bundle items, use keywords that can show up in search results, price your products well, and respond quickly. Number 8. Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelancing services with affordable providers from all around the world. Their brand is designed to make hiring or being employed as a freelancer simpler. The hiring, firing, and HR department's middlemen are eliminated by the online market. Smaller companies can handle tasks more individually, and independent contractors are free to sell their services to any business at any moment. Customers can pay in advance for gigs on Fiverr, which are any digital service, such as transcriptions, NFT artwork, WordPress design, logo design, writing services, and voiceovers. Although all services were initially $5 when the site first began, freelancers are now free to set their own prices and can provide packages or gig packages. Number 9. Guru. Guru.com is an online freelancing marketplace that links companies and people with skilled freelancers or gurus. Guru.com was started by Inder Guglani in 1998. One of the first internet marketplaces for freelancers, it has had success since its beginning. Guru.com streamlines the process of finding qualified technical, creative, and professional freelancers through the online freelancing market. More than 1.5 million freelancers from across the world are part of the Guru.com network, and they are eager to do high-quality work at reasonable and competitive rates. Almost any professional service can be provided by a freelancer in return for money. Web, software, design, art, multimedia, writing and translation, admin support, management and finance, engineering and architecture, sales and marketing, legal, and many other specializations are just a few of the millions of distinct services that are offered on Guru.com. Every aspiring freelancer can choose a specialty because there are so many alternatives. Number 10. iSense. On the rewards website eSense, users are compensated for completing small tasks online. These are frequently referred to as GTP sites or Get Paid to Sites. It is an international organization that promotes and welcomes market researchers from all around the world. The company was formerly known as ClickSense and has been around since 2007. Before changing its name in 2019, it was a PTC site, Pay to Click. The business stopped offering PTC services in 2019 and now, among other services, makes money from online surveys. What do you say about our list? Do you agree with us? Share with us your opinion about this topic, because we would like to know it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with our new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. We appreciate your support and look forward to creating more content for you. Until next time, goodbye.